Today's the day, guys. Last day in Minnesota. I'm moving out to Oklahoma, Fort Sill. So I just wanted to knock out a quick video for you guys, give you a quick update on BIOL. I'm probably going to be a little bit spacey today, so I apologize that I won't be getting out the usual content, but I promise you we'll be back to our regularly scheduled programming after that. So what is up, everybody? Welcome to Trades. We have technical analysis on different stocks in the stock market, as well as potential buy, hold, or sell opinions on these given stocks. I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor nor expert, so take what I say with a grain of salt. The reason that I started this channel is because a couple years back, I was about $30,000 deep in some medical debt, and I was very fortunate to have some close family, friends, and mentors that pushed me to work hard and invest my money, and I'm happy to say that not only am I now financially free, but I'm doing pretty well for myself at the age of 23. So, if I can pass along any of the information, resources, or tools that are given to me here in the community and make a couple people better off than they were before, that's all that I can ask for. Last, if you wouldn't mind dropping a like on the video, it really does help support the channel, and consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. Now today, I've got an update for you on ticker symbol BIOL, Biolase Incorporated. This is going to be our next Grand Slam hit, and we just got to get you guys ready for what the day brings. So we're going to talk about the charts on here macroscopically and microscopically. I'm going to give you three different indicators to pay attention to. The Rsi, which is the relative strength index. Anything over 70 is overbought, anything under 30 is oversold. The 200 EMA, which is the exponential moving average, and this is just a price action based trend line over a 200-day moving period, and then the 15-day VAMA, which is this light blue line, and this is just a price action based trend line over a 15-day moving period, adjusted accordingly to overall volume going into a stock. So we'll talk about what all three of these mean. I do have a Fibonacci retracement pulled up here so we can get an idea of what to expect on the day if we do have some sort of pullback. If you haven't got into the stock yet, we'll talk about different potential entry points and such, potential exits, and the whole 9 yards. So let's just get right into the video. But first, I want to give a quick shout out to the guys over the Patreon. We are, I think, 500 members strong now, which is absolutely insane. I can't believe the rate at which this channel is growing. I really do appreciate your guys' support. It's really, really awesome. They'll have access to the private Discord as well as real-time insights in my personal trading. And we've got a lot of really good stuff in here, guys. We got SPAC plays, short-term plays, mid-term plays, long-term plays, investing assistance, chat and questions. So if you're interested in joining the Patreon, there is a link in the description down below. Now, if you're not familiar with what BIOL is, I'll just read you a quick description on them. They're a medical device company which engages in developing, manufacturing, marketing, and sale of laser systems in dentistry and medicine. It operates through Waterlase systems and Diode systems products. The Waterlase system uses a patented combination of water and laser energy to perform procedures using drills, scalpels, and other traditional dental instruments for cutting soft and hard tissue. The Diode systems perform soft tissue, pain therapy, and cosmetic procedures, including teeth whitening. And today they do have a stockholders meeting, and there has been talk that one of the potential things that could be happening is a reverse split, and typically this is not something that shareholders react well to. So in my video yesterday I said, hey, we don't know what this meeting is. It could be a good catalyst, it could be a bad catalyst, right? So if you want to be a little more conservative with the way that you attack this stock, right, and the shareholders meeting, it'd be wiser to share or to sell your shares before the meeting starts. So it starts at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm not guaranteeing that that's something they're going to talk about. It could be a lot like JAGX, right, where they say, okay, yes, we have the ability to do a reverse split if we need to, but we're not going to do it because we don't need to, right? That could be a very easy situation that happens with BIOL, and that's going to give shareholders confidence, likely would increase the price, but that might not happen either. So another thing that could happen is the shareholders meeting happens, they say, hey, we can do a reverse split, and we are going to exercise it. And if that is the case, it's not going to be a pretty thing for the stock. Shareholders typically will not react well to that. So just keep that in the back of your mind. That is a potential, and I do want to prepare you guys and give you an unbiased opinion on the stock, just to show you I do have skin in the teeth too. So this is not just something that I'm trying to tell you guys to do just because I am at a dollar cost average of 96.8 cents with 7,000 shares. So take that for what it is. Anyways, let's just take a quick look at the charts here. We know that we have the shareholders meeting today at 11 Pacific Standard Time, and then we have another webinar next Thursday. And I plan on rinsing and repeating with the stock into that webinar on Thursday if I don't decide to hold. It's going to depend a lot on the price action that I see throughout the day. I'm going to try and pay attention as good as I can while I'm driving for 14 hours. But so Biolase looks really solid right now. We've got this nice gap between the 15 VAMA and the 200 EMA right here. Every single day it's been growing. We are going down a touch in the pre-market right now, but we are still up from where we were at $1.09, currently sitting at $1.13, and we touched all the way up to $1.24. So if that is any sign of what's to come, we should be looking pretty good on the day here. Our Rsi Indicator has been approaching overbought for the majority of the last couple of days here, and the last time that this happened, the correction lasted for a couple of days. We did touch down below 30, but most of the time it was only about 44, which isn't bad. That's a pretty neutral correction on the stock, and if we do see a repeat of that, I think we're going to be looking okay. Volume is picking up the last 3 days. It has been higher than usual, but not quite as high as this HC Wainwright day. So not quite as much volatility, not quite as much movement in the stock. If we do see a lot of people paying attention to the stockholders meeting, it could be a very solid thing for the stock. We might bring in some more volume, which will increase the volatility, and then thus also the price action and the price valuation. So watch for a pickup in volume. Watch for that RSI to hang out above 70. If you're looking for an entrance into the stock, watch for a pullback to either 99 cents or to $1.08. I think that $1.08 is going to be a nice acting basement for the stock, meaning that if it'll most likely bounce off of that level. So if you don't see it bounce off of 108, it's most likely that you're going to see it bounce off of 99 cents to $1. But honestly, that's I think that's pretty wishful thinking that that it'll drop that low. At the beginning of the day yesterday, we dropped down to about $1.04, and that was the lowest point of the day. So we have been setting higher highs and higher lows. It has been stair stepping extremely well. The charts look honestly pretty clean. I mean, this is just as perfect up and down as you can get. If this does play out, I mean, it looks exactly like it's just going to continue this pattern of down a little bit, followed by up a little higher than the last time we went up. You get the idea. So everything on the charts looks really good right now. We did break below this bullish flag, about a week ago, but it did bounce back nicely, and it has been gapping up every single day. So I like this gap between the 15 VAMA and 200 EMA. That looks nice. The volume is picking up. Our Rsi Indicator is overbought, so we are getting close to a possible exit point if you are looking to swing trade this stock. So like I said, you can play it out a couple different ways. If you want to get out before the meeting, it is at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, because there is risk involved in holding over the meeting if you want to do so as a swing trade. As a mid to long-term hold, if you believe in this company, then it's not the end of the world. But if you're looking for a swing opportunity, as I'm presenting it to you, just be very cautious. Now, if we go to the 2-day 1-minute chart really quick, I think I got the sniffles, guys. What the heck? 2-day 1-minute chart. All right. So if we take a quick look at this, I am going to zoom that out. I don't know why it looks like this. All right. So we do have this this little bit of head and shoulders pattern here, and we did see it bleed a little bit after that, but we did also have a double bottom, as I had mentioned on my previous video. But going into the pre-market today, it does look like we are a little bullish still. We are currently trading at $1.14. And our peak out right now is sitting right around $1.25. Man, that looks nice. Currently in oversold territory. I do predict that we're going to bounce off of that very nicely. There's no reason in the pre-market at 5:27 in the morning for people to be freaking out over this stock. So I think it's just a matter of time until it bounces back very nicely and does its thing. So volume is pretty substandard, nothing crazy yet. I think the majority of the volume we're going to see for this is going to be in the regular market hours. And watch for an exit. If you can get the stock above $1.30 and you got it anywhere around $1 or less, you're looking at over a 30% margin run up, and that's a very solid hit. If you want to take a chance, and this is a risk, so be aware of the risk. and hold through the shareholders meeting, because it might have a positive catalyst. I think you're more likely to see a 50, 60, 70, 80% margin on this than if you sell beforehand, right? But there is a chance that it does not do that and it goes lower. So just make sure you understand that there is risk involved. You may be giving back some of your money if you hold into the meeting. So personally, what I'm thinking I'm going to do is I'm going to sell half of my shares before the meeting starts and then leave the profits, let them do what they do. If they go up, then I make money. If not, then I'm about even, you know? So that's my game plan with BIOL, and that is my update for the day. If you guys enjoyed the video, please drop a like. It really does help support the channel. And consider subscribing if you'd like to see more content like this. And lastly, I do have an affiliate link in the description box down below for TubeBuddy. Now, TubeBuddy is an SEO optimization website that I personally pay a $9 per month membership for, and it is highly what I attribute growing from 0 to 11,000 subscribers in just over a month. So if you are a content creator or looking to become one, it is a great tool to help get your videos into the eyes of your intended audience. And if you do use my link, I'll receive a commission off your purchase at no extra cost to you. So it is a great way to support the channel. And if you're not interested, that's totally fine. I just appreciate your support by taking the time to watch my videos. Thank you for watching, my friends. That is what I have for you guys today, and I'll see you all next time. Peace.